Imagine a world where one person holds ultimate power. Welcome to ancient Egypt. Here the pharaoh ruled as both king and god. This unique blend of authority shaped a civilization that lasted over 3,000 years. Understanding this system helps unravel how Egypt maintained stability, expanded territories, and adapted during crises. At the center of Egypt's political organization was the pharaoh. The term pharaoh means great house. Originally, it referred to the royal palace. Over time, it became the title for the ruler, especially during the New Kingdom. The pharaoh was considered divine. Seen as the living god Horus, he had immense power. Upon death, he transformed into Osiris, the god of the underworld. This belief motivated people to follow him unconditionally. The pharaoh's responsibilities were vast. He led military campaigns, ensuring Egypt's safety. Religious leadership involved performing rituals and maintaining temples. Administratively, the pharaoh oversaw a complex bureaucracy, managing officials and enforcing laws. Economically, he controlled land and resources. Monumental construction projects also defined his reign. Power symbols reinforced his authority. The double crown represented the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt. The crook and flail symbolized his role as a protector and provider. The uraeus cobra and the ceremonial false beard added to his divine image. The government structure was intricate. At the top was the pharaoh, followed by the vizier, his chief administrator. Beneath the vizier were provincial governors called nomarchs and high priests. This hierarchy ensured efficient governance across Egypt's territories. Each nome represented an administrative district. Nomarchs, appointed by the pharaoh, managed local affairs. Their main tasks included tax collection, local justice, and public projects. The roles of these officials were crucial for maintaining order. Justice in Egypt was seen as a divine duty, largely overseen by the pharaoh. The vizier typically held court, handling cases, while local councils managed everyday disputes. Specialized courts, including temple courts, addressed specific matters, ensuring fairness. Egypt's history is organized into 30 dynasties. These periods include eras of stability and fragmentation. For example, the Old Kingdom was marked by pyramid building, but eventually faced collapse due to climate changes. Notable pharaohs made significant impacts. Narmer unified Egypt, while Djoser introduced monumental stone architecture. Khufu built the Great Pyramid, a testament to his reign. Hatshepsut expanded trade, and Ramesses II left behind an extensive building legacy. Stability in ancient Egypt came from several factors. Divine kingship discouraged rebellion, while geographic isolation provided protection. The Nile's predictable floods ensured agricultural abundance. A well-functioning bureaucracy managed state affairs efficiently. However, factors also led to instability. Weak succession disputes often resulted in chaos. Climate change and famine tested the central authority. Foreign invasions from various groups further strained Egypt's stability, particularly during weaker periods. To prepare for succession, pharaohs often established co-regency, sharing power with a chosen successor. Female rulers, such as Hatshepsut, challenged traditional norms and assumed authority. These aspects illustrate the complexities of leadership in ancient Egypt. Understanding the political organization of ancient Egypt offers insights into its enduring legacy. The mix of divine authority, efficient governance, and cultural continuity makes this civilization a fascinating study. Discover more about ancient Egypt and its unique political landscape. Click on the links for deeper explorations into the lives of pharaohs, their monumental constructions, and the daily lives of Egyptians.